Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave analysis.com YouTube channel. This is Henry, and today is March the 8th. The time is around 4 a.m. GMT. Today we are going to be looking at the chart of Litecoin. It's one of the cryptocurrencies here. Let me fix this one a little bit. Alright, so what we have here is a chart in the 1 hour time frame. We ended with B here at $98.33, and since then it has started to go down again. We're looking for a select down, and the select, as you know, will be subdivided into 5 waves, and we have this with 1 here, with 2, with 3. Now we are looking for with 4 before another leg down. Now I think shorter cycle, of course, we can do marginal low like this before going up, or we can just go down straight, and might be ending 4 here already, and so on, right? So the options are there in terms of the exact, swing by swing, minute by minute movement. However, I think the general idea here is that as long as we stay below 98, we should be looking for continuation lower. Okay, so if there is any rally in the meantime, that kind of rally should continue to fail in the sequence of 3-7-11 swing, again as long as the 98.33 here remains holding. If we zoom out a little bit and take a look at the daily time frame, now we can see right here, so this B with B over here, this is at 98, so that will be let me see where it is. Yeah, that should be this one. This is your wave B, right? And that means this is your wave A, right? And so we're looking for a 3-way pullback in the larger time frame, starting from here, starting from February 16. So we got this AB. If you just simply project the extension, then C should ideally reach at least 100%. If not, I mean, the area is always between 100% and 161.8, because you don't want to see it below 161.8, because then it can become 1, 2, 3, right? Whenever it reaches 161.8, it will have a high risk that the decline is not a zigzag, but it becomes a 1, 2, 3. So for now, we're looking for minimum target 82.7, but the range, the possible range is not just 82.7, right? The possible range is between 82.7 all the way down to 73. If we hit 73, again, the risk becomes this is 1, 2, 3, okay? And then you got a 4 and a 5 if that's the case. So for now, because our focus is in the shorter cycle, simply the shorter cycle is very simple. If there is any rally, right, the rally should fail, right? In this case, if it rallies, notice I say if, because we don't have to rally. The direction is down, we can continue to go down, but if we rally, the rally should always fail in 3 swing or 7 swing. So in this case, you can see ABC, that's 3 swing, right? ABC 3 swing, that should fail again, when the C is equal to the A, and go down, targeting at least 82.7, all the way down to $73 here. Okay, so that's the update here for today in Litecoin. Simple update, short term. As always, if you want to get more updates on cryptocurrencies, we do have other cryptocurrencies in our service. We have Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Polygon, and so on. Feel free to check our service. We also cover a lot of indices, stock, ETF, as well as Forex. So I'll see you all again next time. Have a nice day, everyone.